Hello friends, welcome back to Mother Made channel. Friends, today's topic is how to make shampoo. Friends, this is a full practical video. After completing the video, I will tell you the quantity of raw materials. So, please watch full video till end and don't skip the video in between. So, let's go. So let's start. For that I have taken an empty vessel. The first material is SLES, which I am putting in the vessel. It is a surfactant. Now I am adding CDEA. It is a co-surfactant. Now I am adding coco betaine. It is also a co-surfactant. Now I am adding glycerin. It is a moisturizer. Now I am adding cocoa mono flakes. It is a thickener. Now I am adding EDTA. It is a water softener. Now I am adding water. You can take RO water or mineral water. But please don't take tap water. This is EGMS. It is used to make shampoo milky. It is optional. Now I am transferring this into a steel bowl. See, now I have taken water in a big vessel and started the gas flame. And now I am putting this bowl into this big vessel. This is called double boiler. See, now it has already melted. So I am removing it from the vessel. After melting, it will look like this. Now let it cool. After cooling, I am adding fragrance in it. You can take any fragrance of your choice. Now I am adding color in it. You can take any color of your choice. Now it will look like this. Now we will check the pH level. So this is a pH strip. It is easily available in the market. Now I am checking the pH level. The pH level of shampoo should be between 5 to 7. The pH level of this shampoo is around 6. So the pH level of this shampoo is perfect. Friends, your shampoo is ready, but it is too foamy. So you cannot see the actual color and texture of shampoo at this stage. So I am leaving it overnight, and then I will show you tomorrow the actual color and texture of this shampoo. So friends, next day it will look like this. Your shampoo is ready. Now I am showing you the quality of shampoo. For that purpose, I have taken some water in a vessel and adding some drops of shampoo in it. See the result. The quality is too good. Now I am telling you the quantity of raw materials. Please note it down. You have to take SLES 40 ml. CDEA is 3 ml. Coco betaine is 10 ml. Cocoa mono flakes 7 grams. Take flakes, not liquid. Then glycerin is 7 ml. EDTA powder is 0.40. Remember, 0.40 gram. Water should be 50 ml. Simply put all these ingredients in a vessel and then warm it in a double boiler. Then your shampoo will be ready. And if you are adding EGMS, take 3 gram EGMS. Friends, if you have any queries, you can write down in the comment box. And friends, if you like my video, please click the like button and share my videos with all your relatives and friends. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. After subscribing, you will see a bell icon. Please press that bell icon also, and after that pressing bell icon, you will see 3 options on the screen. Please press the all button which is on the top. Pressing all button is very important. By pressing all button, you will receive notification whenever I make a new video. So please press all button. Now friends, we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy.